Hi, in today's Adobe XD session, we are going to create a morphing icon animation. Let's preview our end result first. So this is our animation we'll be creating. Let's get started. I have a simple artboard here, which is already opened here, and I'm going to let's select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and select it and make it on the artboard. Align it to the center. Now I already have this gradient saved, so I'll fill this color in this circle. I'll click on this. This is the asset panel. Asset panel allows you to save colors, character styles, and components of a project which are used repeatedly in the project. So it is filled here. Now you see, I don't want this border. I'll uncheck this, and this dark color I want here at the bottom side. I'll select this and I'll adjust this color stop just like this. Perfect. And let's zoom this. Double click on this, and I'll add some anchor points adjacent to these anchor points. When I'm running my cursor over the edge of the circle, you can see the blue icon is running over here. I'll click over here. Perfect. Now I'll duplicate this. I'll come it outside and I'll duplicate this ellipse. We'll resize a bit. We'll place it in on the first ellipse. Now both the circles are looking similar, so I'll change its fill direction. Gradient direction I'll change. I'll go to the fill area and the color stop. I'll adjust its position just like this. So there will be a variation of the color. Colors are similar, but there will be a variation of angle in both the ellipse. I'll select both and we'll go to the property inspector to align it to the center. Perfect. Now I already have the icon here on the pasteboard. This refresh icon, I took it from icons for design plugin. I'll adjust it. I'll change its fill. Let's increase the size of this icon. Okay, so here it is a bigger ellipse, smaller ellipse. I'll change its position a bit. Perfect. And this is perfect. I'll select all the objects are around over here. Now I'll go to component to create it as a component. You can make it component from here, Control K, or by right click make component. So this is our default state. I'll click on this plus icon to add a new state here. New state. I'll give it a name on tap. So on default state our icon will look like this, and on tap state will change its shape. We'll morph this icon. Let's zoom this and click on this bigger circle. I'll double click and will adjust this. I will give shape with the help of handles. Press Alt and select one handle to adjust. We'll do same for all. Just like this. We'll tweak from all the directions. We'll check all the corners. Perfect. We'll do the same with our smaller ellipse. We'll double click and we'll adjust it. Just like this. So this is all done. Now this particular this shape, I'll give a 180-degree rotation from this text box. Same I'll do with this outer ellipse, outer shape, I mean 180-degree. Perfect. Now if you see, but now you see on default state our icon has some curve, and on tab state it is looking similar. We'll change it over here as well. So double click on this and double click to adjust the points, to remove the curve. We'll tweak this as well. Okay, perfect. Or you can change it just like this. Perfect. So this is our default state and this is our on tab state. Also, if you want, you can add drop shadow here. I'll click on this bigger ellipse and we'll click on the drop shadow part. We'll change its color. If you want to give some bluish color in this, you can add like that. It is already blue. So this is our default state and this is our on tab state. Click on the default state, go to the prototype. Let's give prototype here. I'll click on this arrow. Default state is selected. Trigger will be the tab here. Type will be auto animate. Destination will be on tab. This is the state. Easing is in out and duration is 1.4 second. Same we'll do with this on tab state. We'll click on this arrow and go to the trigger. Trigger again here will be the tab. Type will be auto animate. Destination is default state and easing is in out. Duration will be similar 1.4 second. So let's preview our result. Before previewing the result, make sure you are on the default state. Click on the desktop preview. Now you see this is our morphing icon animation. So thanks for watching this video.